Welcome to the Naked Garden channel. Today I'm going to show you how I plant these garlics. You basically get these any type of garlic from the grocery store. We got these from my wife's job. She gets clients that brings her different types of garlic and other things, so they know that we do a lot of gardening. Sage over there running around. So I basically transplanted these yesterday. I believe those are some kale or some type of mustard spinach. I fluffed up the soil here to kind of get it real nice and loose, and basically put some holes in there. I basically use a dowel rod. I kind of use a marking on there for measurements. You kind of want to get these about anywhere from 4 to 6 inches around this time of the year. You want to plant with this flat side down, the pointy side up. Basically, you just go down and plant. You want to leave the paper on there as well. Cover, 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 and cover. Plant 2 more right there. Drop it in, sink, cover. Drop it in, sink, and cover. And then you just grab your watering can and water them in. And that's that. Tune in about a month, see what's grow. I'm gonna put some leaf mulch on here. Thank y'all for tuning in. Until next time, let's grow together.